Okay, YouTube friends, we're getting ready to pour some concrete out of the bags. This is just a little stoop where we walk. It gets muddy when it rains, so we're going to put a little concrete pad here. And we're pouring it 3 inches thick. So here's how I'll show you how I'm doing the 3-inch thick measurement. And we're sprinkling in a little bit of sand to pack down. I've got my packer here. So, and these are really nice. They're about 15 bucks. I bought this one at Harbor Freight years ago, so don't know if they still have them. Basically, packing it down. This also levels it, which is really good. Then I've got a board here. Let me check that. Got a board here that's, let me kick some of this off so you can see these boards a little bit better. This board's 3 3¼ inches wide here, and I want it 3 inches, so I'll just let that ride up above there for 1/4 inch and go all the way around. Just scrape it off a little bit after I've packed it. That's actually doing really well. I'm a little shy right in there, so I'll add a little bit. And it's not bad to have it just a hair deeper. But you also need to know how to figure your quantity of how many bags you need. A bag will do, 80-pound bag, I believe will do 6/10 of a cubic foot, 0.60 cubic foot. I'll put some examples of how to figure that down in the comments or in the section right below this video, how I figured it. This is about 3.5 by 3.5, which is close to 12 square feet of patio space here, or pad space, however you want to say it. All right, you can see there I'm raking some dirt out because it was too high, but I haven't packed that yet. But this end down here needs a little dirt, so I'll just spread that a little bit. All right, I should be right at 3 inches now. And another way to check it is put a straight edge across the top of the form board. Make sure they're touching, not touching the ground. And do a measurement right there. 3 inches, maybe 3 1/8. Okay. A lot of times I'll buy one extra bag of concrete that I think I need, and of course if I do my work quickly and I don't damage that extra bag of concrete, I can return it to the store.